Hey guys, Brendan from Brinkley RV here today. I'm going to be giving you a quick overview on our auto level on the Model G. Okay, so here's the screen. It's very simple. To power it on, you're going to press up and down at the same time and you'll see a solid green light. To lower the jacks and unhook from your truck, you're just going to press the up button. You're going to raise it high enough to get it off your truck. Then all you're going to do is press auto level. It's going to ground all the other jacks. It's going to level itself out, and then you don't have to worry about it from there. When it's time to pack up, go to the next site, all you're going to do is press hitch height. It's going to raise the rear jacks, and then it's going to take the front straight to the height that it needs that you pulled away from the unit. Super simple. Then retract all, obviously, if you press that, it's going to take all the jacks back to the starting point.